DSM generation. DSM is generated from point cloud data as a surface model. Click the Terrain module to enter the DSM function. Select the point cloud classes to include in the DSM generation. Resolution or scale can be set according to output requirements. Supports custom grid size. The merge option can generate a unified DSM output. The hole filling option can automatically fill void areas. Click OK to generate DSM. Automatically complete DSM generation. View DSM generation results. Generate a complete surface model containing terrain and object features.